Hey all, Ankit Kishor this side from Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So really sorry I haven't recorded any clip in between. I was not feeling well today. That's the reason, but I didn't know market is still going to test my temperament and yeah, it was hell of a ride today. Again, means I'm just continuously saying this from the past few expiries, but this is how it is. And right from the beginning, it was a very tough ride. I'm just summarizing the day. But yeah, before that, let me show you what return I made today. So here this includes this covered call which I have taken against my holding. So this I won't show you. This is the day history. So here I booked almost break even, and this account I booked almost 20k profit. So actually I did manual trading. You know, stock is having some problem with copy trading, so that's why I'm doing manual trading with these two accounts. Okay, and you can imagine managing 2-3 accounts manually in such a market on such a sizing. Okay, it's very tough. It's trust me, it's very tough. And but still I just continued that. And one more thing is here, for the very first day I would say more than 60% of the day I was trading with maximum, not maximum, it is still 80% of the sizing. So I traded with 80% of the sizing, and last time I did that was on January. Okay, and after that I have not taken margin benefit. I'm talking about at least half of the day. 20% of the day I have taken a few times in between, but more than half of the day I have not traded with full of the margin. So today I traded with almost 80% of the sizing in all the accounts. Okay, and here 100% of the sizing. So this is my aggressive account, is a small one, so better not to talk about it first of all right now. Before that I want to talk about this main account, then I will give you a update about this also. So what happened here, I was in a loss till here. Okay, till here I was in a loss of like 20k, 22k, and complete day I was riding like from 8k negative to break even, then 14, 16k negative, then again break even, then again 12, 14k negative, then again break even. This is how it went complete day. Okay, and till here when this down move happened, I was down almost 20k. Okay, 22k. But in this up move also, what happened here, in these three candles I collected few dk, and from 22k negative I went down to 8k negative. Okay, in these few candles. But again in this up move I got a SL hit, very bad SL hit, and again I went back to 18, 19, 18, 20k negative. Okay, but in this last half an hour I had collected something, and this account was up almost 5k, means from 20k negative here. Okay, I was up 5k here. Okay, then I thought, okay, let me take some aggressive bet, and then what I did, my 2400 ko call put ko short kiya, and that was almost 30 points away, here somewhere here, that was almost 30 points away. So I thought, okay, it will be an easy money. Reason for that, just next 15 minutes has to go, and averaging pricing I was expecting somewhere around here 415 plus at least. And if you'll see at the end, it actually happened. Okay, averaging came out to be 413. Okay, and here only. And but before that, what happened in these two candles, this option, wait, let me show you. Yeah, if you see this option, a spike to 6.9. Okay, and I had to square it off at around 4 because I took it at 1 and I can't let it bleed that much. So because of that, from 5k positive I came down to 7k negative again. Okay, and that was the end of the story, because there when I took it I was expecting another 4k, so altogether 9-10k exit in this Giroda account is what I was expecting. But after that SL hit, I knew that I'm not going to close anywhere close to break even. But again in here, in this candle, when this up move happened, I again took this position, and that time again I took it at 1, and that time it completely closed at 0 only. So because of that I'm closing break even in this account. And this account also I traded manually, but completely I traded complete day completely risked off. And reason for that was I needed some time to adjust, because managing 3 accounts, and when you have to place every order manually, you know, you need some time if some move will happen. Okay, and that is why I'm now very close to a solution for this. And upstock accounts of my both maybe in the next few days only, like 3-4 days max to max, I'm going to withdraw everything from here and will put it in some other account. So everything is the solution is there with us. It's just that we need few days of time. So but still here again I collected very good decay, but at a point of time it also went down to 16-18k negative. But from there just collected something and managed to close with 20k. So that because of this account only, altogether in main accounts I am closing with 20k profit. Okay, this is about the main account update. Now talking about this small account, See, these are covered call position. Okay, so including these, if you see 1700 रुपीज का लॉस शो कर रहा है, it simply mean मैंने कुछ 1600 1700 का प्रॉफिट बुक किया all together in intraday. Okay, so what happened here, I went down to 28k negative intraday. I'm not talking about this thing, I'm talking about just intraday position. So here I went 28k negative at one point of time, but in this, during this phase, I collected super because I was continuously playing very aggressive here. Okay, so that actually worked out very well, and because of that only from 28k negative I came down to almost 600 rupees profit, which is break even only, yeah, but still it is from 28k positive coming down to this much is very is a big relief for me. And now let me summarize on chart how I traded. See here, if you have traded, you know the behavior of premium were very bad. Okay, and premium were not decaying at all. The kind of premium that put were having, and they were not losing even a penny even in this sub move. It was just exhausting everyone. Okay, and I was completely exhausted because continuously I have to keep on taking the SL from the call side. I have to keep on switching it from one side to another, because from the put side I was not getting any help, and because of that the loss kept on piling. Okay, and till here, wait, first of all, when I told you that 60% of the day I traded with margin benefit, so it happened only here. Okay, in this phase I think I took for half an hour, then I squared it up somewhere here, because I was not seeing any decay even in this consolidation, where I was expecting some decay because a big move happened, some spike in the premium happened, and here only I went down almost 18 to 20k loss in a small account. They only I decided okay, a good IS spike happened, तो मैं यहाँ पे अब थोड़ा प्रीमियम क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करता हूँ, बट कुछ भी यहाँ पे डीके नहीं हुआ, एंड लकीली आई क्लोज्ड इट हियर, एंड इन दिस अप मूव इफ आई वुड हैव हैविंग दैट पोजीशन, देन अगेन मैं यहाँ पे जो ब्रेक इवन पे क्लोज किया, मींस 3-4 के नेगेटिव पे क्लोज किया, वो अगेन 20-30 के नेगेटिव हो जाता. Okay, so but I closed it here, and then I took again margin benefit here, and then I continued with that position sizing in this particular phase. That's the reason I am telling you more than 50% of the day I traded with the margin benefit. नाउ तो यहाँ पे जब प्रीमियम पुट के साइड बिल्कुल ही नहीं मिल रहा था, और यहाँ कॉल हमें ऐसा हिट किए जा रहा था, इन दैट वे आई डिसाइडेड ओके, प्ले एज रिस्क एज पॉसिबल सो दैट यू शुड नॉट गेट बिग हिट. And obviously today is expired, so decay has to happen. I know it was not happening in the first half, until 1:30 also decay was not happening, but we all know in the next 1 hour 30 minutes, sorry, in the next 2 hours it has to go to zero, all the OTM. So that there only I decided okay, I will go a bit aggressive, and that was the reason behind quantity addition here. Okay, so this is about main accounts. Okay, and a small account I traded with complete quantity right from the beginning, and that is the reason यहाँ पे वो loss pile up वहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुआ. ओके, तो मैं उस पर भी अभी थोड़ा सा और उस पर थोड़ा रेट्रोस्पेक्ट करूँगा. आई विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट सम बेटर सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट ऑल्सो, बट टिल नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द समराइज थिंग व्हाट हैपेंड. सो ओवरऑल a decent close in such a market. Closing break even or closing with some gain is really important, and even if you are taking SL, try to get as small SL as possible, because there will be few months which will come which will be very easy for you to make return. Okay, and those months will take care of your annual return. Okay, these months you just have to focus on one thing, that is capital preservation, nothing else. Okay, and even if you are closing with a small loss, see, a small loss is always healthy. Okay, so if even if you are taking a small SL like 0.5% or 0.7%, maybe 1%, 1.5%, it's based on your risk appetite and how you are thinking about the market condition that time. So it's according to you. But if you are taking a calculated loss, then you are doing fantastic. So on that basis only, today I closed here break even, and all together in main account only I closed with 20k profit. In a small account close break even you can take. So overall a good day for me, and I hope you also had a good day, and I hope all the analysis and adjustment that I'm sharing, you are learning something from them. And if you do, then please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.